Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see an interesting account takeover of support person and CEO email due to a logic flaw into our application. So in this video POC I'm going to show you how I was able to find out a vulnerability onto a website wherein I was able to take over anyone's email address. So for proving this bug, I took over my another email, and also I did took over the support email of that company and the CEO's email, and I reported the vulnerability. So the practical time, and let's see how can we do this. So as you can see, I'm onto a website in which I'm onto my profile. This is my account and this is my profile. As you can see, my primary email address is blackops.ruby@gmail.com. Now, you can see the application gives me one more option to add an email address. So I'm going to add one more email address. So for example, I'm adding one more email address, which is my email address, the srsecure@gmail.com. And I've added the email address. Now, as you can see, the application sends an activation email on any new email that has been added. As you can see, it is showing inactive and send the activation email again. So my new email address, that is the srsecure@gmail.com, has got an email verification link. But I will bypass that and I will activate this email without even clicking that verification link. This was the flaw. So let's see how to do this. So as you can see, this is inactive right now. I will refresh and show again. It is inactive. I will just go to my account. Remember guys, this is my blackops.ruby account. Okay, this is not the SR secure account. This is blackops.ruby account. When I signed up on the website, I got one link to activate my blackops.ruby account. Okay, so I'm again going to click on the same link. I've already clicked on this link once for verification of my account blackops.ruby, and I was able to successfully make an account. I will again reuse the same link to verify the another account, that is the srsecure@gmail.com email address. So I'm just going to click on the same link on the blackops.ruby email address. After clicking on the same link, it will say account is activated. I know my account was already activated, but the flaw lies here that when I click on the activation link of my primary email address, any new email address which has been added into the applications will automatically get verified. So let's see this. Let me just try to reload this, and you can see this inactive will go away, and the application has successfully verified the email address. Let me just again reload the browser and show you. As you can see, there is no again the inactive thing that is coming onto my web application. So what I will do right now is, I hope you guys understood this. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how I am going to log in through this email address. I will make this email address as a primary email address. Then I'm going to log in through that email address just to prove that I have successfully taken over this email address. Yes, so I will make this a primary email address. As you can see, this email address has been made a primary email address. I will log out of this account now. So this time I'm going to log in through the new email address that we took over, that is the srsecure@gmail.com. So I will just click on login and I will give the new email address in the login field. I will hit continue and I will give the password of my account. The password is admin123, and now the application will successfully log me in into this account. So as you can see, I am logged in into this account. Let me just go to the profile section and show you that these two are the email addresses, and the srsecure@gmail.com is now my primary email address. So I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.